Delano coming down, or what are we doing? Delano, get over here! Alright, Delano left. Sterling point, Phil right. Coming down top right, hold, yeah, just show, nothing, ball side right. One coming box, one coming box. Open, ball top right, top left, coming in, Chris on ball. Hey, Delano, Jason, swap in a little bit. Ball side left, Delano on ball, we got a one. Bill, one if you want it. Bill, one if you want to pick right, switch! No, stay. Good stay. Top right, cutter. Ball down. Come on, Black. Go down. Hold up, top left. Come in, recover. Yeah, it's two guys splitting two. Yeah, open. Side right, watch it dodge. Lift. Still got it. That's good.
Mark up.
Yeah, stay high silent. We know he's not going to roll back to his left. Hey, balls at X. Hey, talk 1-2 right here. Watch for the picks. Balls at X. Hold. Hey, Sterling, step. Sterling, be ready to step. Hold and turn left.
Hey.
Oh, ball tip. Good tip.
Go ahead.
Come down top left.
Come on.
Top left. Balls out, top right. Recover one coming box. Sterling, one coming box. Billy on ball. Hey, let's go with Jason. It's a long slide. Let's go with Jason. Sterling.
Good shot.
He just stuck corner, right? Felt like it.
Sorry, man, it's coming from the top.
It's okay. He's good hit, too. Yeah. No, yeah, I like the body on that. Yeah, we'll keep me able to take it slow. Sterling point. Talk through it. Tyler. Top right. Good stick, yeah. Yellow. Oh, this is going to be a long game. Top right, coming down. Top right, talk through it. So you can step on the ball. Don't give him the middle. Open. Top right. Yeah. Hey, still open. Jason slough in.
Left two. Left.
Yeah, there you go. Ball's back right. Still talking through it. Ball side right. Top center. Yeah, there you go. Talk through it. Hey, Tyler, you can go one if you want. Who's my one? Yeah, we got to mix in the middle now. Watch cutters. Right. Hold, turn. You're nothing. Lift. Still got it. Ball to X. That's good. Good position, Sterling. All right, ball's back left. Talk 1-2. Whoever's up top's got to slough in and touch the crease, all right? Ball's back left. Delano, keep him low. Not too much, Delano.
Pick coming left.
Nothing. Get through. Still there. Hold. Step up. Right foot. Turn.
Two.
Back right.
My bad, guys.
I like the effort, Phil. Ball's coming inside right. Tyler's still one. Chris just touching backside, and then hey, Delano, be ready to slough up, all right? If you're backside, you're going to be either 2 or 3. There you go. Good. Ball's top left. Yeah, there you go. Heavy, Chris. Heavy. Good. Ball side left. Now recover. Yeah, Tyler, you're good right there. Delano, you're wide open. Step in a little bit, Delano. Don't go too far with him.
Hey, who's that?
All right, hey, we're going to early one here. No. Ball's top right. Tyler, be ready 1. Bill sloughing 2. Chris stepping backside 3. Hold, nothing. Top left.
He's coming.
Chris, scoop through it. Hey, crash in the crease right here, right now.
I got one behind.
There you go. Hey, now recover. Yeah. I got him, Sterling.
Let's play with a free hand.
Tyler, still with you. Oh, and we're not playing over and back.
We're not in this one?
Not in this one. There's no over and back. So if you have to go over for some reason, you can't go back. This is 1-0, right? Tip! Good look. No, Stu, stay. Yeah, whatever. Fuck it. Yeah, take a breather, Stu. Oh. Ball's coming down, top right. Talk through it. There you go. Hey, one coming box. You guys are off. Yeah, you guys are getting the two. Two coming top right. Bill, your guys top right. Talk through it. Hey, we're open for now. Talk through open. Watch cutters. Balls back left.
Watch pick, get through.
Hey, yeah. Pick, get through. Nothing. Pick right coming. Good.
Pick.
Jump.
Right.
Turn. Lift. Still got it. Balls to X. That's good. On the tip. Nice and heavy, all right? Yeah, if you're going to jump in on the tip heavy, you just body up. There we go. Hey, pick maybe coming right. Watch pick. Watch pick.
Tyler, be helping him.
Pick left. Good. You're through. Stay with him. Left. Balls at X. Balls back left. Watch cutters. Still got it. Turn left. Good. Side left. Watch cutters. Talk through him. Good. Balls top right. Watch the dodge. Open.
I'm hot.
Hey, we can show it, Jason. Yeah, Tyler, you're off. Bill, touch him backside. Bill, backside. Nothing. Lift. Side left. Whatever. Watch cutters. Balls at X. Watch cutters. Hold. Turn. Somebody get him. Top right.
Good guy, Kyle.
Oh, it's a no roll. If a goalie dives, we get it.
Hey.
That's what I thought. Hey, balls at X. Watch cutters. Side right.
I'm hot.
It was a late dive, Kyle.
That's out. How you get out of bounds? What?
Balls top center. Watch the big dodge. Tyler, be ready to step up. Hold. Tyler, show. Show. Nothing. Cutter. Ball down.
Here.
Keeper.
All the way back, Chris. All the way back,
Keeper.
Chris. Not to the middle of the field.
Come on your back.
We're working on it. I don't know why he's getting stuck past us.
It's okay.
Mistakes.
Okay, Miller.
Hey, good intensity. The line will keep it up, baby.
Through it. Got it.
Don't be afraid. Go, Stu. Bill one.
Right. There.
Top right.
Right there. Oh my God.
Oh,
Go ahead.
Top center.
There we go.
Yeah, Sterling out. 5 on 4. You got the 5 on 4. You got still. Top right. Tyler, you can go.
Behind you.
Coming down, top right, top right. Tyler, step up. Tyler, step up all the way across. Oh, yeah, there you go. Hey, yeah, get the middle, Chris, cover the middle. Shooter, side left, top center. What's the dodge? Get a lift, get a lift. He's going to hold it, ball side right. Yeah, well, he split the shit out of me. I had no choice. He did. Now, that was a good split. One more. Really? Holy shit, Bill. Okay.
Hey, Tyler. Double.
Yeah.
You have to walk it up.
Hey, he's going to be running downhill, too. Watch for the bull dodge. Oh, get out. Yeah.
Thank you. Hey, who's got it short in the middle? Can I get this one right here?
Okay. I mean, yeah, 15 would be ideal. Oh, top left. Get a lift. Top right. Yeah, Tyler on him. Watch the dodge.
You got
yeah, right there. Get a lift. Hey, crash crease.
He has it.
Oh, he's right there. I'm not going to walk in there.
Get your help. Man on.
Wheels.
Hey, let's roll.
Yeah, give it to him, Delano. Oh, God.
Time that way.
Yeah.
Oh, so what?
Thank you. Go straight down.
Hey, there's no over and back either. No over and back. You come back with it. Break.
Top right, coming down. Sterling 1. Miller just drop in. Miller drop straight in.
Stop
Hey, still down.
Brandon. Use it.
Hey, still there.
That's back.
Pretty damn good shot. All right. Big time and down a little back.
Here we go, Jesse. Left.
Yeah, Sterling point.
Clock, guys, clock. Low on
Top
time,
right, coming down. Miller just dropped. Ball's top right. Bill on ball. Top right, Miller, drop all the way in. Miller, drop all the way in. Be ready to give him help. Sterling, you can show. Nothing. Ball to next. Still got it.
Hey, nice.
Good.
Tell me to pop out and help.
He's a righty. He's not going to
Only half, guy.
What is it?
One big quarter. Okay. Unless you want to try to get a face off in 2 seconds.
I am all good.
Hey.